Hey guys, Apurva here. So, in this video, we're gonna talk about which engine is better for you, Unity or Unreal. Let's find out. So, what should you choose? Well, of course Unity. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like and share the video. Well, the answer is not that simple. In order to find out which engine is better for you, we're gonna take a look at some facts. Let's start with both engines' histories. A lot of you might not know that Unity started back in 2005. The reason that most of you haven't heard of Unity back then was it was exclusive to Mac only. But things took a turn when Unity was introduced to Windows in 2007. Around that time, mobile games were rising to the top, and Unity made game development approachable to a wider audience. Now let's take a look at Unreal. A lot of you might know that Unreal started as a game back in 1998. Back in those days, there were some companies licensing their game engine to other companies. Unreal was one of them. But it was not cheap. Licensing a game engine back then had a 6 to 7 figure cost attached. So it was not everybody's cup of tea. Now let's take a look at one of the most important things, that is programming languages. Both engines use different programming languages. Unity uses C#, whereas Unreal uses C++. Also, you might want to know that Unreal has its source code available in GitHub. On the other hand, Unity is closed source. Now let's talk about my favorite part, that is gameplay programming. There are two main ways to program for Unreal: C++ and Blueprints. Blueprints is Unreal's visual-based programming system. In Unity, there used to be several supported scripting languages, mainly C# and JavaScript. But in recent years, JavaScript is no longer supported, leaving C# as the primary way to develop your games. Recently, well, not that recent, but it's kind of new, Unity has come forward with their own visual scripting solution called Bold. No, not that Bold, this Bold. It's not as perfect as Blueprint, but you can use it in your projects. Although, I don't suggest using visual scripting on bigger projects due to performance issues. But they are great for prototyping and of course artists. Unity is currently heavily focusing on DOTS, or Data-Oriented Technology Stack, a combination of high-performance subset of C# and ECS, Entity Component System. They are early in development, but when they release, it's going to change the way we develop games with Unity. That also means when DOTS and ECS comes out, Unity users have to go through an in-depth learning process. Now let's take a look at features. Both engines are packed with features, but there are some areas where Unity shines over Unreal, mainly 2D. I'm not saying that you can't develop 2D games with Unreal, but it's much easier to develop with Unity than it is with Unreal, mainly because Unity provides a lot of tools for 2D. But the area where Unreal seems to have an edge is visual quality. Unreal is known to power some heavy graphics games. Unreal can render AAA quality graphics. But it's not like that Unity isn't doing anything. Unity is quickly filling the gap. Now let's take a look at platforms. There's really not much to talk about here. Both engines supports most common platforms like mobile, VR, PC and console. Now let's talk about the community. Unity has a much larger community compared to Unreal. You can easily find good Unity tutorials, documentations. But as a beginner, whatever question that you might have in your mind, you can find the answer for both of the engines. Unreal has published more AAA titles than Unity, but Unity is shining in the mobile department. Now let's take a look at the games made with both engines. Some Unreal notable titles. We have Fortnite, Mortal Kombat series, Ace Combat 7, Batman Arkham City, Gears of War 4 and 5, Sea of Thieves, and of course PUBG and PUBG Mobile. Those are great success in my opinion. Some Unity notable titles. We have Hearthstone, Cuphead, Pillars of Eternity 1 and 2, Firewatch, Battletech, Ori and the Blind Forest, Recore, Cities Skyline, Kerbal Space Program, Pokemon Go, and of course, most famous of all, Call of Duty Mobile. We all love Call of Duty Mobile. I love Call of Duty Mobile, don't you? Let me know in the comments if you like Call of Duty Mobile or not. Now let's talk about the most important part, which is pricing. Unreal works off a straight royalty scheme after you have made a certain amount of income. The first $1 million of lifetime gross revenue your product makes is royalty exempt. That means after the first $1 million you have made with your games, Unreal is going to charge you some royalty. I don't know, maybe 5% or something like that. Then we have the creators license for the creators that are working on internal or free projects, custom application and linear content. Unity, however, has a more traditional per seat subscription approach with multiple plans available. Now I wanna mention that Unity has a really helpful plan, which is Unity Student Plan. Basically, you can apply for GitHub Student Development Pack and link that GitHub account with your Unity account and you are going to have a Unity Professional license for 1 year. You can renew the license as long as you are a student. Then there is the personal or free tier for developers whose revenue or funding doesn't exceed $100,000 per year. Next is the plus tier, $40 a month. This tier gets you additional features like access to their analytics, cloud hostings, etc. The biggest difference is you can make upwards of $200,000 per year with this license. Then there's the professional tier at $150 per month per developer. This ships with a number of additional features but completely removes the revenue limitation. You also have the enterprise tier, which is basically for big companies at $170 per month per 10 seats. But you need to contact Unity to get this tier. Unity and Unreal are two products that are in many ways becoming more alike. The biggest difference is where they started. Unity started life aimed at the hobbyist and found great success. Unreal Engine, however, from its first day when it powered Unreal, was first and foremost a AAA engine. So, which engine to choose? Well, it really comes down to personal preference. There was a time when the answer was simple. If you want to make a game with stunning visuals, then Unreal was the best option. And if you wanted to make a 2D game or a mobile game, then Unity was the best option. But in today's world, both engines are capable of powering some heavy games. In my opinion, Unity is a lot more beginner friendly than Unreal, mainly because of its UI. So, which engine to choose is really up to you. In my opinion, as a beginner, you shouldn't think much about which engine to choose and just start, because you can switch to any engine later. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, please drop a like and subscribe. Thank you.